Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Apple iPad 9th generation Wi-Fi. So here it is, all wrapped up still. Let's open it up and see exactly what comes in it. So let's cut it open. It's got this plastic wrapped on it. Let's see what cables, a charger, what comes in it. Okay, so you always got to be careful opening these boxes. Sometimes these iPads and iPhones will fall out. They're usually right on top. Now there's this little tab here. You're going to pick this little tab up. This is the iPad. Again, be careful. We're going to see it. Let's see what comes in the box. We got some instructions, but here's the cable. So this 9th generation is a Lightning. So this is a USB-C to Lightning cable. And that's how you're going to charge it. Now also, thankfully it does come with a wall charger. The wall charger is outputting USB-C. So you're going to plug this in, and then the other end is Lightning. So it's two different ends. And this is how you're going to charge it. What's the instructions real quick? Usually comes with a sticker. Yep, got our Apple logo stickers. Some brief instructions. So let's go over here to the iPad. Again, these things are usually made very well. I mean the packaging. Pull this tab and it all comes out. Okay, so it's very lightweight. Now again, here's how you're going to charge it. There is a thumbprint reader. And you're going to charge it with Lightning right here. So again, let's take this cable out. You're going to unplug this. Now the USB-C can be plugged in either way, like upside down or that way. It doesn't matter. Now the Lightning, same way. The Lightning is going to plug in right here. And you can plug it in either way too. Now over here we do have some volume buttons on the right-hand side. Up top is the power button. We got a headphone jack. Looks like we got some connections here where we can put a keyboard, some speakers. Yeah, very lightweight. Okay, so let's get our tape measure out. So left to right, you're looking at 6 3/4. Up, down, about 9 3/4. Now thickness wise, it's not very thick. Maybe a 1/4 inch thick. Very slick. So you're going to want to get a case for this right away. It's very slick. So I hope my video helps. This has been the unboxing video. Thanks everybody for watching.